Hey guys, welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus, a high-tech cleaning machine that promises auto self-cleaning, self-emptying, air drying, advanced navigation, and powerful suction, all in one smart device. But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you love honest, no BS tech reviews. Also, if you've used any robot vacuums before, let me know your experience in the comments. I always check them. Right out of the box, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus comes with the robot vacuum itself, an all-in-one base station, charging cable and adapter, and a water tank with dual rotating mop pads. The design follows Xiaomi's clean, modern, and futuristic aesthetic, with a sleek white finish that blends into any home. The build quality feels premium and durable, which is always a good sign for long-term use. The 6,000 Pascal powerful suction fan ensures deep cleaning on hard floors and carpets. It picks up dust, pet hair, food crumbs, and fine debris with ease, leaving floors spotless. If you have pets, you'll appreciate how efficiently it sucks up fur from every corner of your home. One of its standout features is auto mop washing, which means the mop pads clean themselves after use. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that require manual cleaning, this system keeps the pads fresh, reducing the need for constant maintenance. Plus, the smart mop lift is a game changer. When the vacuum detects carpets, it automatically lifts the mop to prevent your rugs from getting wet. This eliminates the hassle of removing the mop manually when switching between surfaces. Another highlight is the 4-liter large-capacity water tank, allowing extended mopping sessions without frequent refills. Whether you have a small apartment or a large home, the X20 Plus can handle it effortlessly. The LDS laser navigation system sets this vacuum apart, ensuring precise mapping of your home. Unlike older models that randomly bump into furniture, the X20 Plus intelligently avoids obstacles while covering every inch of your floors. Through the My Home Xiaomi Home app, you get complete control over your vacuum. You can set no-go zones to prevent it from entering specific areas, customize cleaning modes for different rooms, schedule automatic cleaning sessions, save multiple maps, perfect for multi-story homes. Remote control operation lets you manage the vacuum from anywhere. Another big advantage is the OTA, over-the-air updates, which ensure that your vacuum stays up to date with the latest features and improvements without needing manual upgrades. One of the best perks of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus is its auto-empty system. The all-in-one base station automatically empties the dustbin, reducing maintenance time significantly. With its automatic mop pad air drying feature, you won't have to worry about mildew or unpleasant odors from wet pads. Additionally, the vacuum is designed to prevent light structured obstacles over a wide area, meaning it won't get stuck on small furniture, cables, or uneven surfaces. Another cool feature is its ability to recognize different floor types and adjust its cleaning power accordingly. Whether you have tiles, hardwood, or carpets, the X20 Plus optimizes its settings to ensure the best cleaning performance. And here's something I love: the quiet operation. Many robot vacuums are loud and disruptive, but Xiaomi has done a great job at keeping noise levels low, making it perfect for late night or early morning cleaning sessions. Battery life is another big plus. The high-capacity battery allows for long cleaning sessions, covering large homes without needing frequent recharges. And when the battery gets low, it automatically returns to its base to recharge. Setup is super simple. Once you connect the vacuum to the Mi Home app, you can start using it within minutes. The app provides real-time tracking, so you always know where your vacuum is cleaning. Overall, this vacuum takes convenience to the next level. Imagine coming home from work to a spotless floor without lifting a finger. That's exactly what this device offers. If you're looking for a smart, feature-packed robot vacuum with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, self-cleaning mops, and a hassle-free maintenance system, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus is an excellent investment. It offers top-tier performance at a competitive price, with auto-emptying, app control, and advanced laser navigation, without the sky-high price tag of premium brands. Of course, if you need deep carpet cleaning or hot water mop washing, you might want to explore even more high-end models. But for most homes, this is more than enough to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. And if you love detailed, no-nonsense tech reviews, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest videos. See you in the next review. Peace out.